Hi team, welcome to my session on Coffee with Prab, and in this podcast we're going to discuss about AI governance. It means artificial intelligence governance or having a governance in AI. So AI, it's a buzzword, ChatGPT, and a lot of things are involved here. But there should be a proper governance to manage this AI. Otherwise, it can backfire. So it's very important to have a strong governance to manage the AI. And in this podcast, we're going to discuss about high level about AI governance. So if you go by the definition, AI governance, it's all about creating a set of rules, standards to ensure the ethical, transparent, and accountable development and deployment of AI technology. And goal is to basically harness the benefit of AI while mitigating its risk and ethical concern. Now, AI in today world, it's basically become more integrated in our daily lives. Okay, chat gpt and all that, from healthcare to finance, to ensure it serve the public good become critical. Now question here is why we need a governance in the AI. Okay, and we have a multiple things, like example, we have a ethical concern, we have a privacy risk, we have accountability, we have a global impact. So let me explain you why AI governance matter. Now if you're talking from an ethical concern, recently what happened, one of the known AI engine, where we have enter Mr. RPM Modi, and that AI generate a very negative information about our PM. So that is called ethical. So AI can be uh, perpetuate to be bias. Okay, it leading to unfair treatment of individual based on a race, gender, and other characteristics. And so that's why the ethical concern is very important. It should be bias and all that. So second is basically AI system can also intrude on a personal privacy, where collecting, analyzing data without concerns or transparency. Okay, we need to determine the responsibility of AI decisions, which can be challenging, make it essential to establish the clear accountability framework. And AI also influence the cross-border, require the international cooperation to address its global challenge. So key principle of AI governance is like transparency, fairness, accountability, privacy, security should be there. Now if you're talking about the transparency, so AI system should be transparent with open disclosure of how they operate to foster the trust and understanding that must be there. AI should be designed to be unbiased, ensure the decisions are fair, and do not discriminate against any individual group. There must be a mechanism in place to hold developer and user of AI system accountable for the impact. So accountability as a principle should be there, and AI system also protect the individual privacy, ensure the personal data is used ethically and securely, and make sure that security, which is a next principle, it should secure from external threats, preventing malicious and use of the manipulation. So that's something we will look for. So let me explain you with a very basic example. Okay, let's take example. Imagine you have a smart robot friend, robot. Okay, who can do a lot of cool things like drawing pictures, solving puzzles, even helping you to clean up your toys. But sometimes these robot friends need to learn the best way to do things without making a mess, being unfair, or not listening properly. So AI governance is just like a teaching rule to your robot friend. So let's say example, the first principle we called as a shareness or sharing and fairness. So just like how you learn to share your toys and treat fairly with your friends, we teach our robot friend to be fair to everyone. And this means that robot should not choose favorite or leave anyone out. Example, if you and your friends are drawing picture, the robot should not say one friend drawing is best and all the time. So everyone drawing is special, right? Second is listening and learning. You know how you listen to stories and learn new things at school. So we help our robot friend listen and learn too, but from a lot of different stories and information, so it can understand and help more people. If the robot is learning to help clean up, it listen how you like your toys, organized, not just how it think it best. Playing safe. So remember the rule of playing safe, like not touching hot things or running with the Caesar. So we teach our robot to always make sure no one get hurt or upset by its action. Same like we have a robot movie of Rajnikant. So if the robot is helping in the kitchen, it's known to keep sharp and hot things away from you and your friend. So that is how. So and one more important, asking for help. So just like how you ask for a help when you need it, the robot learn the ask for the help from grown up like parent or teacher. So when it is unsure about something or it make mistake, example, if robot doesn't know how to fix a broken toy, it asks a grown up instead of trying to fix alone and possibly wrong it worse. So that is how it works. So AI governance is like a big book of rules. Okay. And lesson we teach our robot friend to make sure they play nicely and help us out and keep everyone safe and happy. And just like you, they keep learning and getting things day by day. So that is why AI governance, their process is very, very important in the organization. So question is how to build AI system, how to build AI governance. So it is always start with the guideline. Then you need to have some kind of a data governance policies. Okay, you need to introduce some kind of a AI development framework which outline the methodology tool framework to develop the AI systems. There should be a testing protocols. There should be plan to test the AI systems, including the performance and everything. And there should be a monitoring and evaluation framework which monitor the AI system performance. If anything happen, there should be a proper incident response plan. Okay, we need to have some kind of a regulatory compliance documents, training materials. So these are basically we look for. Okay, so I will discuss one case study. Recently what happened, there's a company, so they have introduced the facial recognition technology. So it is used for security actually, and also used for retail personal verification purpose. However, its deployment has raised a significant privacy and bias concerns. The governance challenge was there. The issue include the lack of consent in the public surveillance and racial and gender bias in a recognition accuracy and potential for mass surveillance. So solution and governance model, what we did here is we implement the strict consent protocol, a regular audit of the bias and transparent usage policy, which help to mitigate this issue. An example include your EU GDPR, which provide the framework for consent for right to privacy. One more case study was there where you're talking about AI in healthcare. So there was an AI application in healthcare, which diagnostic tool and treatment recommendation system offer an immense benefit, but also pose a risk related to the privacy, data security, decision-making bias. So governance challenge was there is to ensure the data privacy and security and validating the accuracy and fairness of AI diagnosis and maintaining a doctor-patient relationship in the AI-driven environment. So we have to adopt as a solution governance model is we have to adopt a standard for anonymizing the patient data and implementing a rigorous testing phase of AI system to ensure unbiased and accurate results and establish a clear guideline for human oversight in a AI driven decisions. So FDA involved guideline for AI in medical device, provide regulatory example and other procedures are there. So conclusion I can say is AI governance is essential for ensuring that AI technologies are developed and deployed in a manner that is ethical, transparent, beneficial to society. And as AI continue to be evolved, so there should be a framework for its governance, which is crucial for the policymaker, developer, public to engage in a ongoing dialogue to address the emerging challenge. And we have to stay informed and participate in discussion on AI ethics and advocate for responsible the AI policy in practice. So do let me know how do you find this particular podcast, and shall I make more podcasts similar to this topic to give you updated content on a similar things. Thank you for listening to my podcast. Good day. Bye.